Backyard Liberty is an online program that is very popular for its aquaponics system. Aquaponics is an advanced system where techniques used traditional hydroponics and fish farming are combined to produce large quantities of food in small areas. It is the need of the hour and is increasing in popularity in sustainable gardening practices. This is why an increasing number of universities and centers today offer training and classes in this form of gardening. Click the link in the description below this video for details. Artificial farming or making food poisonous and influencing people's health negatively, aquaponics systems are really needed today. This system provides a perfect setting for plants and animals to grow together to reach a unified blend of these two elements. Moreover, the system is self-sustaining and can deal with all food issues in the future. Though you may find various online programs teaching you how to develop an aquaponics system, they usually aren't practically and efficient for use by many people. On the contrary, the unbiased testimonial of Backyard Liberty assumes great significance because the program instructs people with the simplest and smartest way to create efficient aquaponics systems wherein food self-reliance soon becomes a truth. Backyard Liberty was created by Alec Deacon, who has spent more than 10 years in this field, testing and studying about the topic before coming up with this item. This is a guide containing an instructional video showing you how to build an automated food growing system from scratch to completion. The entire plan also consists of the Backyard Liberty Handbook, which includes all related information for constructing a self-sufficient system. You are also provided a fast beginning guide about all the initial tasks to be carried out. While everyone knows that aquaponics is a very effective system, not many of us know how to produce this system cost effectively. With the help of this guide, you familiarize yourself with a highly effective, automated food growing system. While the list price of aquaponics is about $6,000, Backyard Liberty teaches you how to produce exactly the same produce with only $190. In fact, the approaches used in this program are so easy that even a child can do it. Moreover, once started, you only need to spend 15 minutes a day on the system for its maintenance. Click the link in the description below this video for details.